And for that, we are joined on the line by Nelly Fofana. She's an analyst at SGI Hudson and Company. Thank you so much, Nelly, for joining us on the show. I think a good place to
Thanks for
start is
having me.
to hear more about the recent downturn we're seeing in the market. We saw Sonatel fall back quite a bit yesterday, pulling back the broader index by about 2%. Can you talk us through the sentiment for Sonatel right now?
Okay, so from Friday to Monday, the BRVM composite decreases by 2.05% to stand at 119.15 points. So the market was driven by the 6.47 fall in Sonatel price, actually because it traded ex-dividend on Monday, and the dividend payment will be held on May the 2nd. So among the winning sectors, we have the infrastructure, plus 2.84%, impacted by CIE gains of 5.75%, as we are approaching the dividend payment date, offering a yield of 7%.
Right. So
transport sector is up 1.74%, thanks to Bolloré gaining 3.51%, due to the good performance expected, as the group was awarded the construction and exploitation of the second container terminal for Abidjan port.
all right.
We also have the petroleum sector that gained 1.38%, thanks to Vivo Energy, plus 6.67%, with benefits from investors' high expectations.
All right, so pretty positive outside Sonatel. Everything else seems to be doing well on the BRVM right now. But let's run through some of the results and some of the factors impacting the performance of these companies. Starting with SAPH, we saw a decrease of 54% in their profits.
Exactly. SAPH full year 12 results show a decrease of 54% in net income to stand at 21 billion CFA. This is linked to the company revenues fall of 11% to stand at 172.9 billion. In fact, this significant decline is due to the fall of rubber selling prices by 25% and the new 5% tax on turnover.
Right.
So the 2012 gross dividend per share is 1,600 CFA, representing a yield of 4% compared to last year's dividend yield of 19.7%.
All right, if we can quickly touch on Onatel, of course that's another telecom player in the region. It seems their numbers are quite positive, especially when you consider the fact that Sonatel's share price fell back recently.
Exactly. Onatel revenues for the first quarter amount 29.8 billion CFA, compared with 27.9 billion CFA in the same period last year, which represents an increase of 7%. However, net income is decreasing 6% to 4.3 billion CFA.
Right.
This result was negatively impacted by the social disruption experienced by the company last February.
All right, let's leave it there. Thank you for that update, and we'll speak to you sometime soon. That's Nelly Fofana, an analyst with SGI Hudson and Company.